Sir, I am setting the pass, but not. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
Path is not clear, sir. Sir, I will share my screen now. First, you check it. I will okay or not. Uh,
Okay, the JDBC portion, right? You are talking about?
yes, sir. Yeah.
You are talking about the JDBC portion, right?
No, no, JDBC, not TypeScript portion. I am asking, sir.
Okay, TypeScript. Okay, understood. Oh, yes, share it.
Yeah. सर मेरा है TypeScript करके हमने सेव किया था फोल्डर से. सर्च.
Yes.
सर TypeScript करके एक सेव किए हैं फोल्डर.
Spoken word.
उस फोल्डर
Open in VS Code.
यस सर. या सर फाइल ओपन फोल्डर. नथिंग हैपेंड रे. तो डी फोल्डर में सर इसमें हमने हेलो टीएस करके डाला. तो दोनों टीएस सेव है. सर एक बार दोबारा बता दीजिए. हम उस दिन कोड डाले थे लेकिन एरर्स विल शोइंग.
Okay, so first of all, you give the name hello.ts, right? Now
Yeah.
console.log message. So that message will show hello world. Hello world message will be shown in your terminal.
Okay.
Okay, go to new terminal. Open a new terminal.
Yes sir.
Open new terminal.
New tag हो तो.
No. Go after run, just see the upper options. View, go, run.
Okay.
And go to right side. After right side, run. After run. Yes. After run, just click on the dot. Click on the dots. Here should be a terminal option will be there.
3 dots.
Yeah.
3 dots. Run next. headers.
Terminal I have already, sir, click that
New terminal.
solution.
New terminal.
Yeah, yeah.
Header.
सर अब टाइप
Okay.
करें.
Yes, yes. Now run the commands. Yeah.
Sir, 1 minute to comment भी कहे ठीक.
TSC.
Wait.
The command is tsc space file name and then node space your file name.
TSC
Space.
dot file name. Hello
Not,
world.
Yes, file.
Yes.
Hello world.
.ts.
.ts. Okay. Enter.
Enter.
So this error also showing same error. So
Okay, give me control.
सर ये ओके ले रहा है, उसके बाद करने बाद भी आ रहा है एरर. TS hello world TS करके. हाँ ओके.
Running script is disabled on the system. Execution policies. Security error. Okay, unauthorized access. Actually, in your Windows system, one settings is there that will restrict that compiler to run this program. That we have to first time. That problem I faced a long time ago, but that problem I also faced. But something in the computer system, it is not your code problem. It is the internal computer system that is restrict your terminal to run the code.
तो सर अभी क्या करेंगे हम? How can
Yeah,
we
actually-
resolve that solution, sir?
Yeah. I am understanding that.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I'm trying so many times. Same error is showing now. That's why I'm asking, sir, today. That's it.
Copy the error and paste in the Google.
Okay, sir.
Not all, just only the errors. Just only the errors. Unauthorized access, up to unauthorized access.
Sir, only error को ही copy किए.
Now go to your browser and paste the error.
So ChatGPT or only Google?
Google. Yes, go to Stack Overflow. Yes, search. Actually, what will they say? If any error comes, that is a troubleshooting skills. If the error, any type of error comes, then we have to go to this website and see what is the actual solution.
Sir, इसका solution क्या है?
Yes, that we have to find. That is, you have to find in stack overflow. Let's scroll down.
Scroll down, na sir.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Give me control. Give me control.
Sir, you have.
Go to your CMD comment. Go to your CMD.
CMD है sir. You have search है.
Yes.
Command
Okay.
point.
What है?
जो हम करते हैं, तुम एक जावास्क्रिप्ट इंटरव्यू में बैठे हो एंड तुमसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये पूछा होता है दैट आइटरेटर पैटर्न क्या है।
और दिखाएंगे। Poonam, why it is not opening?
Poonam.
Yes, now, yes, yes, okay. Go to browser, go to browser. I don't know why mouse is not working. Go to your browser.
New.
No, no, no. Here, here in after system 32, right click and paste.
ओके ठीक है ठीक है. ओके ना सर. एंटर करें.
Enter करो. That's okay. Why it is not taking? Go to browser again.
हाँ. ऐसा. इंटरव्यू डन. उसका. First you left, no my friends.
Yeah, done. Poonam.
So done now.
Yes. See, that's why it is you have to troubleshoot. First of all, it is actually restricting the actually it is a security purpose. See the unauthorized access. Again, there is the NPX. See here what the NPX is saying. NPX is one type of package. increase rendezvous package that can authorize the access. So first command is npx tsc hello.ts. That is the running the TS file. After that, it convert into the JS file hello.js. Then we can run our command node space hello.js. Then upgrade.
Sir, ये 2 times first you have to convert the TypeScript. Okay, then go through the JS file. Okay ना? तो
yes,
सर ये
yes.
जो 2 नीचे आ रहा है hello TS और फिर TS configure in JS JSON. What is this?
Yes, configuration when we convert into the npx, always npx is a configuration file. When we start Angular, then it will be better to understand.
Okay, okay, okay.
It
अब
is a
सर
one
हो
kind of-
जाएगा ना
it
नोट
is one
किसी
kind
कुछ
of it is one kind of configuration file. JSON configuration file. It's one kind of.
ठीक है सर और एक प्रोग्राम दीजिए करके देखते हैं अगर हो जाता तो ओके
You can okay. You can go through. You can go through any program from it, and you can.
वो ना वो फाइल कॉपी पेस्ट किया ना, वो जो हमने भेजा था उसको।
कोई कौन सा कॉपी पेस्ट का पूछ रहे हो
और वो 16 तारीख का 14 तारीख का उसको कॉपी पेस्ट करो।
अच्छा अच्छा सुमन आप जो भेजे थे फाइल का पूछ रहे हो ना
हाँ हाँ वो फाइल, दोनों फाइल।
वो ग्रुप में है ना तो सर अभी दोबारा भेज देंगे तो डायरेक्ट प्रोग्राम में प्रैक्टिस कर देंगे एक दो करेंगे तो समझ आ जाएगा तो फिर मैं दूसरा रिमेनिंग वाला कर लूंगी अभी व्हाट्सएप स्कैन करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए सर यू हैव टू want to program will upload some chat box then I will try
Okay.
okay sir. सर सर भेजिए ना
Yes, yes. I
want
am
to
giving that. Wait.
program okay
Yes. See, I have seen. Punam, I have seen. Just some. Hello. Hello, Punam. Are you there?
yeah sir yeah
Okay, I have sent. You can check this.
okay
Okay, just change here. Give me remote control.
Yes.
Name one.
Always do the CMD, not power sheet. Yes, now
सब अब करें.
yes, now
Okay. NPX ना.
yes.
सर. NPX ESC. और एंटर के लिए कुछ आ नहीं रहा है.
I have.
अच्छा ठीक है. remove. अब क्या करें सर, वो आंसर आना चाहिए ना.
Change name.
Name change, yeah, change the name.
ओके.
Give name one or name two anything. Here also name one in line number 5.
ओके लाइन नंबर 5 है.
Name one and also plus name one.
ओके ओके सर. ठीक है ना सर.
Yes, now write the comment.
ओके ओके. नहीं आया आंसर सर.
Not coming.
नॉट.
One minute.
ओके सर.
Code has no problem. Why it is not coming? Actually, wait, I am checking in my system.
ओके सर. नहीं सर, दिस टाइम वाला ओके ना. प्रोसेस आल्सो ओके.
Yes, yes.
इंक्रीमेंट भी ओके. तो व्हाई आर नॉट आंसर विल स्क्रीन सर. दैट्स माय रीजन.
See, it is running. I am sharing the screen. Stop share. Punam, stop share. See here. I am taking the name hello.ts. Okay. Give the code. Hello.ts, then node hello.js. Name John, first code. That's the answer. Okay, this is running. Okay, Punam, now share your screen. Okay, give me control one second. Give me control one second. It will be anything.
Okay, sir. You have already controlled, sir.
Hmm.
TDS, hello, what to does? Yes. Or hello, does what to does?
Okay, don't save the file.
Yeah, sir. Sir, hello, what to, sir, to?
Okay.
Once you have saved the program, then you will do hello, dot to. Dot is. Yes, yeah. Yes, sir, fine.
Now coming.
Yes. Yes, sir, सर अब कमांड लाइन का कोई जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट हो जाएगा ना? हैव टू टर्मिनेट एंड न्यू टर्मिनेट करने से?
No. You have to write the comments. TSC space file name and then node space file name.
Okay, but that's it now. No, sir,
Yeah,
you
that's
have
it.
to, that said you will be using na
First, what is
comments.
the problem? Yeah, first, what is the problem? It is the unauthorized access actually, the security purposes. So that infix command will do the on the security purpose will access the command now. Now you can do TSC space file name and then node space file name.
Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, now stop share. Okay, now what? Let's start to the first program of the Angular. That is what's our planning. Angular first tab. Okay, just see. Just I am already telling you what is Angular. So again I am telling that basic that I already told you what is the basic IRCTC website and basic suppose our website. This is fully made by Angular. This project. Yeah, this project is fully made by Angular. This website, and this website. Just see, these are the components. Companies, services, high developers, industry, portfolio. These are all the components. And these components are actually, these are the drop downs. You know, your company, message from CEO, message from fundraiser, message management team. See, if you go any, so this, the persons will come, and this is the, okay, so total website is made by the Angular within the single page application. Why Angular is called the single page application? That is the interview question, first of all. Why Angular is called a single page application? Because if you do any, we want to go any new component, suppose we want to go contact us. So within this single tab, my necessary data will come within this single tab. If you go to legal team, see, within the single tab, the data will come. The page is same, but the inside the body of the page, the data will change. So that is the single page. That's why Angular is called single page application. But if you go any other, just like I told you, the IRCTC website or any other website made by simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, that is required external tab. But with the Angular, you can do only one tab, single page application. That's why it is called single page application, because it is taking one page, single page. Okay. Now, what I am telling, what is in the Angular? This is the hello world program of the Angular. Today we will done this. Next day we will done one by one, day by day. We will do the next topics. Okay, so what is in the Angular? Angular faster than Angular forms. How we made Angular registration form? There are two types of forms in Angular. Angular forms with validation. Angular form with validation. Then we are doing Angular component and routing. This is called routing, actually. See, these are the components. How we made these components, we want to see. And then this is the actually routing gallery. These are the components, and this is the routing. So this home. I am currently in the home page. Now I am going to the component about us page. Why choose us? This is the about us page. This is the home page. So this is the about us page. This is the home page. These are the services. These are the services. So so from one link to the another link, from home to services, from home to anything. This is called the routing. Actually, changing the link from one link. This is called routing, and these are the components. So this is called component and routing. This is the one topic in Angular. Where if you go, Angular component and routing. Now Angular form with validation again. There are two types of form already I'm telling you. One is template driven form. Another is reactive form. There are the two forms actually in Angular. One type of registration forms.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. When I worked in the Angular, there is the one folder is one file, or one folder has many files.
No, you can keep so many files in one folder. You can keep.
Okay.
There is no actually there is no rule that you have to keep one file in one folder. You can keep one so many files, 10 files or 50 files in one folder according to project needs. Okay. These are our structures, view, controller. So this is the Angular. We are currently here. So Angular has also one view layer. Angular also has one view layer. This is called view layer. Then the data view layer or UI layer that we can see in your website. That's called UI layer or view layer. Then it will go to controller layer. When we go cloud application, then we'll understand this architecture so much easier. When we go to controller layer, then come to the service layer. Service layer, and then after service layer, the data will come view layer, UI layer, then come controller layer, then service layer. After that, it will go to backend. Backend means whatever the backend is, your Spring Boot or whatever the technology is, it will go to backend and MySQL database. So these are the steps of all the Angular ones: view layer, controller layer, service layer, and backend layer. So here in the service layer, we can put the logic. Logic means the business logic. Whatever the clients tell us. Suppose tomorrow, clients say, I need to change this technical consultancy. I need to change, and I have to put another thing, or I have to add another things in the services. IT consulting services, software development services. Suppose clients say software testing services, I have to add in that page. So where we need to change the code? We need to change the code here in service layer. This is the business logic. Service layer. This is the business logic actually. And then go to controller layer. Controller layer means control the data actually. We change here, then actually the controller, what controller do, controller control the data, and according to the control the data, the output will come in the view layer that we see in the browser. This page, it is called the view layer. This layer is called the view layer. That's what we see actually. This is the view layer. And inside this, go to controller layer, then controller layer to the service layer, then service layer to the backend or the database, whatever the things. That is the actual main basic things of Angular, how Angular works. Okay, so there are two types of form that I am telling. One is template driven form. Template driven. Template driven form. One is reactive form. There are two types of forms: template driven form and reactive forms. Reactive forms means these forms are very reactive. So many responsive. These forms are very effective. Actually, reactive forms is used in the industry, but template driven form also used. But for the learning purpose, we have to know what is template driven form. These are the two types of forms: template driven form and reactive forms. And reactive forms are actually working on both two-way data binding. So what is two-way data binding? Then come to next topic. If else. Now, one kind of conditional statements is there also in Angular. That is one topic, if else Angular, that we need to see. See, here is one-way data binding and there is two-way data binding. One-way data binding is what? One-way data binding, suppose data is only going to, suppose you are creating on registration form, okay, reactive form, and you are fill up this form. Suppose your name, your contact number, your email ID, your skills, your location, you fill up in this reactive form, and that data will come to service layer to the data go to the backend layer, backend to the service, go to the controller, and then come to the build. Then the HR will see your data. That is called reactive. That is called one way. The data will come one way. But there is in the template event form actually this type happen. But in the reactive form, HR also again edit something, then again send the database. So that is the two-way data binding. One-way data binding means data is going one way, or two-way data binding means data is going both ways. Data is going this way to this way or this way to this way. Two-way data binding, this is correct. And another thing is called RHX observable. The last thing, not last, this is the RHX observable, is another topic. RHX observable. RHS observable is how to take one link and go to another link. RHS observable is some kind of routing actually. The more depth way of the routing. Okay, we will see that in later. And last, our last thing is what? Last thing is, this is the project. Angular CAD application project. Angular CAD application project. You already do CAD application project in JDBC, right? Save, store, save, take, read, delete, and update in JDBC. But now, after learning the Angular, we will see CAD application is working in Angular. How CAD application is working in Angular, that we will need to see. There is the last. There is the last portion of that Angular program. Before doing this CAD application, you need to learn all the things. So today, not going so much. Today is just know what is Angular and Angular first step we want to create. Okay, so I am making one folder, new folder. After I am doing, then you will start. Okay, then go to rename. Suppose here I am giving name. Suppose I am giving name Java 25 Angular. And I'm open this folder. Yeah, we need to see terminal. Now I am telling you, this is the official website of the Angular. See, this is the official website of the Angular. You can go in this website. I am giving you this link in the chat box. This is the official website of the Angular. What is Angular? You can type this. This is the so much informative website. And so many comments are there, you need to understand. So many comments. Okay, first of all, we have to install the Angular. First of all, we have to install the Angular in our system. Otherwise, the Angular code or program cannot run. So what is the command? npm install -g Angular C2. This is our first learning, how to install the Angular. Without installing Angular, we cannot run any code. It is installing. It is waiting for some time. Yes. Now see, all the Angular is installed. Okay, now I have to make one project here. I have to make one project here. So what I need to do? ng new. ng is the package name. So it is one kind of command or package name. ng new. Okay, now I am giving the project name Java 20. Suppose I am giving the project name Java 20. Now see what is he is telling. Would you like to add Angular routing? Yes, definitely. Press Y and enter. Now what he is telling, which style sheet format would you like to use? It is CSS. Definitely enter and installing packages. Just wait for 1 minute, it will install. We just see the Angular is installed successfully installed initialized it and also see my project name is here come inside the folder. My project name is Java 20 and all the files are also there. I am going one by one. What are the files actually? This is the project whole Angular project structure. This is. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. One for this one.
Yes. Hello.
So,
Hello.
Yes, actually one call is coming. Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, tell.
Yes, sir. What has happened? The one question.
Mm.
Would you would you like to add Angular routing? Say yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, this is the okay. This is the, okay. Now this is running actually. Now how to run that project? That command is ng serve. Okay, we have to go now cd Java 25. The correct path. That's we need to run ng serve. Generating browser application bundles and it will run the program.
सर
Yes, tell me.
सर एक्चुअली जो प्लेसमेंट होने वाला था वो कब है इंटरव्यू?
No, actually, that's kind of information. Actually, I don't have. You can ask students.
ओके ओके सर.
Okay, now listen. There is the compiled successfully. So my project is running successfully. Now see, Angular Live Development Server is listening on localhost 4300, and it is 4300. It is running. So see my here localhost 4200. See, this is my first project. Java 25 app is running. It is Java 25 and Java 25 app is running. So this is my first Angular program. I already made. Okay, so I'm stop sharing. So we can share your screen. Hello, Sovi. Yes. Yes. Yeah. First of all, make one folder.
This is already made. Just let me connect it.
Okay, this is the okay Angular. Okay. Yeah, good terminal. Okay, now write the command here. npm install -g space @angular slash CLI.
CLR, right?
CLI, yes. CLI means command line interface.
Okay.
npm.
In MP.
Actually, npm is node package manager. These are the package managers. You need to use in the commands.
It's done.
Okay, now you have to create one project. So the what is the command is ng new your project. Space and your project. Whatever you give your project. It is no. No, it will not be share.
Will it be no or yes?
It will be no. Because you don't need to share.
Okay. Which one will be yes? Right?
Yes, yes. CSS, yes, enter.
Yes. Yes. It's showing some errors.
What are the email address? Oh, that is the Git problem actually. There is no need to bother about right now. Actually, you don't need to, you have to attach Git in the VS Code, so that is not a problem right now. Your project is created. Your Angular project is created. Expand the SRC, yes. Expand the app. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now one by one, I am telling you what are the files. Okay, now run the code. First of all, run the program, run the whole project. No, not here, not here. In the terminal,
Okay.
not this process. In the terminal, just write ng serve. ng space serve.
Server.
Serve is serve. Serve.
Oh,
ng
server.
space serve. Space, give one space.
Oh, another space.
And go to your correct, give your correct file path.
Okay. It's in this folder, right? Oh, Angular
Yeah.
1, right?
Angular 1, yes. CD space.
How? Okay.
Change directory. CD means change directory. CD space Angular 1. Enter. Now do ng serve. And now go to your browser.
Yes, computer just
Yes, already it is running. So this is your first application project, Android project you are creating. Okay, now go to the file. Today, one by one, just what is the file, actually need of the files we want to show. Okay,
Sir, my project is not completed.
yeah, okay. So we stop share screen. If one share screen.
Okay.
Yes. So what is the problem?
In this sir,
It is not MG sir, NG sir,
MG,
NG.
MG sir, okay. MG. Okay.
See in the chat box, I am giving.
Okay. NG. NG sub open.
Open your VS Code. I am not actually seeing
Okay.
this. NG sir. Try installing with.
NG sub.
Okay, you don't have. Wait. You don't have code modules. No. Then first of all, install npm install. Write npm.
Install.
Yes. You install already or not?
Okay.
Okay, first of all, you have to install npm, and you don't install, and you are doing ng sir. That is not actually happening. It is restored already or not? Okay, not restored.
I don't know that it is stopped already. Okay. There is
Okay, now run
NG sub.
in G sub. Yes, now it is actually running. Now it is perfectly working.
Okay.
It is so stop share.
Okay, stop the cell.
Yeah. Now go to your browser and then localhost 4200 it will run. Okay, Shuman?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now, what I am telling you. That this is my project name Java 25, and this is the I'm just telling what are the files are there. And then we will end our session. So today is maybe the first application of the Angular. So this is the dot Angular, and this is not bothered about right now. And this is the node module. So when you install install then the node modules, so you can also delete the node modules. Suppose you share this project with anyone. You share this project with anyone, then what you do, you need to delete the node modules. You need to delete the node modules, and then he will install this by npm install command. So these are the node modules. Without the node modules, actually it will not work. These are the so many packages and libraries are there in the node modules. Okay, next is SRC source. Inside the source is app. This is the default folder. Default folder app. Inside the app, these are the main things. App. These are the four things: CSS, HTML, specification.ts, and component.ts, and app routing module.ts, and app module.ts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 files are important. These 6 files are actually the backbone of the project. Suppose in app component.html, I am delete. I am delete all the things, and I am writing here. In the HTML, it is H1 tag. Inside the H1 tag, I am writing hello Angular. Okay. So if you run the program in the local host, whatever you write here, it will show here. It will show in your browser. So that's why the development will come. If you inspect here, you can see all the outputs in the console. If you see all the outputs in the console, that's why actually the programmers will develop through the Angular. Here the code will change, and according to this, your browser will also change. Now, if you add CSS, you can add CSS. Then go to your CSS file, add component.css. Go to CSS file and add some CSS file here. Then add routing module. This is the routing code. The ng module, actually it will be imported, ng module Angular code. Actually, this is default. You don't need to do anything. When you create the project, these codes are already in by default actually. Then import router module routes Angular router. Because we have to say yes in the routing, then this line will come. Router module. Because routing means what? Routing means from one link to the another link, we need to go. From one page to another page, we need to, that is called routing. That's why we need router module. That is called router module. Then routes. After that, imports. Router module dot forward routes export. App and this is one by default, one class, that is called app routing module. Okay, now come to CSS. Okay, that already this is the HTML. Whatever you write here, it will show in the browser. Now leave that specification.ts file because this file is nothing. We don't need to bother about these files. Now come to app component.ts. In app component.ts, see import component Angular code. This is the, suppose we need to work in any component. Suppose we need to work in a component, suppose these docs, community, blog. These are the components in this website. In this website, these are the components, docs, community, blog. Okay, so these are the components. So we need to import from Angular code. We need just this automatically imported by default. Then come to component, select app to template URL. This is the template URL app component.html and what is the style URL? App component.css. This is the style URL. So these codes are already by default is there. And these are the title. Whatever I give the project name, it will come here. The title equals to my project name, Java 25. This is my project name. Okay, so this is content about app component.ts. If we change any component future, then we have to change here this code, app component.ts. Now come to the next file. What is next file? Next file is app module.ts. App module.ts, similarly, automatically these files are imported. Browser module, ng module, app routing module, and app component. Then ng module. And app component imports browser module, app routing module. Suppose you are creating a React form. I am going to tell you, you are creating React form. So we need to add forms module. We need to add C. We need to add forms module. When we create the forms, then we add forms module. Right now, we just leave it. So these are the modules. Browser module, that's why it is showing in the browser. App routing module, that's why it is routing. Community, document. And then whatever our project needs, actually, we can add all the modules. App routing module, browser module, forms module, HTTP observable module, so many things. So when we see, we can add here in the app module.ts. Okay, so these are the app module.ts file. Next, this is the assets, so don't bother about anything. So these 6 files are your main files. You need to work on here. You need to work on, but these files are already by default. Yeah, you don't need to bother about. You need to bother about these 6 files: routing module.ts, component.css, component.html, component.ts, app module. These 5 files you need to bother about. Now, you next come to the heavy convert. So here, if you suppose add any logo, suppose you are developing one. See, this is the Angular logo. If you need to add one logo in your website, then you can add heavy convert. Now come to index.html. In index.html, this is your basic file. Title Java 25. And then you type image href heavy convert. This is one kind of your basic by default index.html. And next come to main.ts. Nothing bother about the thing. Here is style.css. This is the main file. Another important file is style.css. What is style.css? Style.css is a global CSS file. Here you can add CSS here. But if you want to add total CSS file in your code, then you need to add in style. This is your local CSS file. App component. This is your global CSS style.css. See, you can add global styles to this file and also import other style files. See, it is already giving us some format. This is a Git question, so this we have to ignore the Git. This is the angular.js. These are all the project related information is there. So all the project related information is there in the Angular. See, Java 25. Styles is this. These are the assets. Polyfills is the so many testing file. We don't go through this polyfills in there. Right now, we are just concentrate about these five files. And this is the development build optimizer files. Build.chunk. I am not going through these things because this is that. Okay, now come to package.json. Here in package.json, all the versions will come. All the versions. So what are the TypeScript version in this project? 5.1.3. What are the Karma Jasmine? These are the testing, content testing software. What are the version of this? So all the versions is coming here in package.json file. See, your Angular also there. What is your Angular version? Your Angular version is 16.2.0. You can see here. So many versions, zone.js version, RxJS version, Angular 4 version. Whatever, and these are the information. ng start for starting the project, ng build for building the project, ng test for testing the project, ng test for running the project, ng start that we have already done. And your project name is Java 24. Okay, now next, leave these files and then come to this file, tsconfig.json. That's already I'm telling you that what is the file. Now from that file, tsconfig. This is the actually configuration file, TypeScript configuration file. This is come as a JSON format. All of the files are comes in JSON format, but this file also comes as a JSON format, tsconfig.json. In this file, this is the script. Actually, we need to false. If the script is true, then actually the reactive functions cannot work. When we go to the reactive functions, then we will have actually always it will give false. So it will be then our program will end. So many cases on security information. Angular has own security, that's why we need to be strict as a false. So all the securities will going out. So these are the strict. So we need to just bother about this thing in the config.json. Here all the things are true or false. See all the true or false. Declaration to module solution, import helper string. When we import something, then it will be true. That's what is true. So this is the TS configuration and leave this files. So just understand 7 or 8 files total in this project. tsconfig.json, package.json, angular.json, style.css, index.html, app module.ts, component.ts, HTML, CSS, module.ts. Routing module here. For one link to the another link, we give the path here in this thing. In routing, suppose how it will go to the community, how it will go to the blog. Sorry. It will come to the document. How it will change? That code will write there. App routing module.ts. Yeah. In this file, that code is written. That will be routing path actually. objects. That is HTML part, that is CSS part, that is routing part, and that is module. We need to add when we add forms module, browsing module. If we don't, if we delete browsing module, then actually it is not showing you the browser. So for helping for the browser, we need to add browsing. We need to add for the routing purpose, we need to add a routing module. Suppose when we go to the forms, then we need to add forms module. So that is the understanding of the project. We need to add the modules. Okay, so and this is the project. So this is the total Angular project, the inner structure of the Angular project. Any Angular project. This is the inner structure of the Angular project. Just bother about these files that are what I am telling, and rather than leave with your another things. And you always remember the comments. ng sub. This is your comment in the timeline. And ng sub is the comment, and see in the document also. Here npm initial minus the Angular CLI, then safety execution policy. That is the main reason that Punam faced execution policy or security issues. Then ng new Maya. Here I am taking Java 25. Here they are taking Maya. ng new Maya for creating the project. For create a workspace and initial application. For creating the application, you need to do ng new Maya. Next, then run the application. cd space my project name. cd means change directory. And then ng sub. So, ng sub. You can do / open, or you can also do ng sub. There is nothing about it. You just do ng sub. That will be satisfied. And your project is running. My app is running. See, my app is running. So today is up to this because children, whatever next day we will do our next Angular topic, that is forms. Next day we will do the forms actually, and also we can do Angular component and mapping. So let's see. First of all, understand the basic structure of the Angular project. Then we will do the next one. Okay, understand? So we okay, so which one supposed to be the understand this basic structure?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Please repeat the JSON TS config JSON changes.
That is that file. That file. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
config.json, actually this is the true false file. You need to bother about you need to don't go to, just you have to need to see string equals to false. If you give true, then the false forms will actually not submitted. The reactive forms, whatever the registration form we will make next day, that will actually not submitted. That's why we need to do in case
Only
config.json file. Do just for the security purpose.
Okay. It is
We will
also
do for the security purposes. We need to do strict false. So all the securities have in that project. And it compiled successfully means your project is running successfully. Okay, so today after this and understand the basic structure of the Angular project, and then we.
sir, I am asking one question, sir. You
Yes.
have to add say first module TS, when CSS, HTML, all are using sir Angular part.
Yes, all are using in the Angular.
Okay, okay.
You can add HTML here. You can add CSS here. You can add global CSS here. All are the uses.
Johnson be used, sir, na?
No, actually, these are the default files. These files you don't need to add. You just need to add your HTML, CSS, module.ps, and component.ps. These 6 things we need to understand. We need to
Okay.
we need to working on these 5 parts.
सर हमको थोड़ा हेल्प करते, हम भी इंस्टॉल कर देते हैं एंगुलर, तो अच्छा रहता। फिर कल से क्लास होता है, नेक्स्ट क्लास तो।
Okay, share your
ओके सर।
screen.
हाँ सर।
Okay, first of all, create one folder
हाँ
in
सर,
your
सर I know.
desktop.
हाँ, I have sir 1 minute sir. Sit down. Sir 1 minute. सर अब बोल बता दीजिए।
Okay, I will file. Okay, now here go to terminal.
हम्म।
New terminal. Here we change PowerShell to CMD.
Yes.
Okay, give me control.
हाँ।
Okay, first of all, you have to install in
सर npm is
Node Package Manager. That is the Node Package Manager.
no. Okay.
That is one kind of default library of the Angular.
Okay. Okay.
Just wait for some time, it will be.
Okay. नथिंग रे, इतना स्मॉल अमाउंट भी नॉट पॉसिबल रे।
Okay, now just give me control again.
ओके
Engineer. What is your project name? Should be my app, right? My app is your project name. Now give me control again. Now let's run the program in this run the project actually. And already successfully installed. Now right here in this app. Hello Punam. Hello Punam. Poonam, it will run, okay? Hello, Poonam.
Okay.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. It will run and it will compile successfully, and then you just go to browser and then type localhost 4200. That is the default port number of Angular 4200. Just start. Now go to browser.
Okay, install, sir.
Yes,
Local.
install. Go to browser. Go to your browser.
Mm.
Go
Yes,
to your
sir.
browser. Yes.
Ah.
Now write localhost.
Localhost, na?
Localhost colon 4200. No. Localhost colon.
Okay, okay. Colon.
Yeah, 4200 colon, not underscore,
Colon.
not slash.
सर स्लैश तो दिए हैं.
Not slash, colon. It will be. It will be colon. Shift and then colon.
Shift.
Okay, give me control. Shift the colon. See, your project is done.
Okay.
Okay, understand? Kunal?
Oh yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, now stop share. Okay, now I'm stop the screen sharing.